Which engine did you lose? Soup, I have an emergency.
What's your report?
Both engines.
What?
Both engines gone, no thrust.
LaGuardia says go to runway 13.
Tower, stop your departure, got emergency returning. 1549, bird strike. He lost both engines, returning immediately. He lost thrust in both engines, he said. Check this 1549 if we can get it for you. Do you want to try to land runway 13?
We are unable. We may end up at the Hudson.
I got an A320 diving for the river. Al, stack all the inbounds to LaGuardia.
Put a hold on the tower, please. Come on, guys, stand point.
This is the captain. Brace for impact.
What?
Heads down, stay down. Brace, brace, brace. Heads down, stay down.